Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're someone who prefers opening links in your default browser instead of within apps, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to enable a simple setting in the Messenger app that will let you open links directly in an external browser. Let's begin. First, open the Messenger app on your smartphone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the menu icon. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, in the Settings menu, scroll until you see Photos and Media, and tap it. Finally, find the option that says Open Links in External Browser and turn it on. And that's it. From now on, links will open in your default browser instead of inside Messenger. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more simple tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments if there's another feature you'd like me to cover.